Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you. Appreciate you. For today's project, I'll be making a jewelry box. For my jewelry box, I'll be using some storage that I got. And I'm gonna be using 3 of these storage. I'll be stacking them on top of each other to make a 3-draw jewelry box. What I did was to go ahead and spray paint these gold because my customer wanted it gold. She wants a gold set. So I'd gone ahead and used the metallic finished gold to spray these gold. I'm also going to be using some glitter. With my glitter, I'll be using some Mod Podge. Also be using my E6000, my glue gun, and some diamond wrap. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and put my glitter and the storage container. So I'm gonna use my Mod Podge. I will be applying the Mod Podge to the back, the 2 sides, and also to the front. So I'll be putting glitter on the bottom, the 2 sides, and to the front of the drawer. When you're doing that, you could put something at the bottom to hold the glitter that is gonna, the extra glitter that is gonna come off when you're doing your glittering. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you could just hit the subscribe button so that you could see everything that I'm doing. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook where I put new stuff every week. I'm gonna put a second coat of Mod Podge on the bottom just to give it a second coat of glitter because I'm missing some. There's some little spots that need to fill out with my glitter, so I'm just gonna put a second coat just to fill it all out. So I'm gonna put some of the glitter, the insides. So your first one should be looking like this. Glitter on the bottom, to the two sides, and also to the inside. When this is dry, when the Mod Podge is dry, we're gonna go back and put some more on it and put some more glitter on it so that we cover every area of the draw. Those are drying. I'm gonna go ahead and glue my okay. While my drawers are drying for my jewelry box, I'm gonna go ahead and put my second part of this together. So this is my I will be gluing all three of the storage container together. Start them. I'm gonna use my E6000 to glue them together. Also with a little bit of hot glue so that the hot glue can hold it for right now while the E6000 is drying. Okay, when I'm done stacking them on top of each other, I'm gonna use adhesive mirror to put on the side. So I'm gonna put it in the center because I'll be putting the diamond bling, the diamond bling wrap to the side of the mirrors. Okay, the only thing you have to do is to take the back off, taking this sticker off, and then I'm just gonna put it in the middle right here. I'm gonna put it to the 3 sides and also one on top. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box below for this project. Remember to get it in the center because you want both sides to be even when you're putting on your glam. A little bit. All right, after stacking them together and putting the mirrors on, I'm gonna go ahead and put my diamond wrap on. So I'm going to be using the diamond wrap to cover the where we join the glass together. Because we already used the glass to cover up where we join the trees. Now I'm going to use the diamond wrap to cover where we're joining the mirrors together. Alright. To be looking like that. So you can just use, I did 4 layers of it. I cut 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's covering the top and also to the side. So I'm going to do that to all 6 sides of the jewelry box. Like that. Here we go. After putting all the diamond wrap, put some of the diamond wrap to the edge of your drawer so that it covers where you join the bling wrap to the side. This is it. And I had some Christmas ornament, so I put one on the top of it. And my friend that ordered this, her name is Marissa, so I gone ahead and put Mar on top of it. Just give her her name on top of the jewelry box. So that's our final look. Thank you for tuning in. It has been a pleasure to have you. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can know anytime I have a new video up.